Hey guys, it's me Ans and I'm back with the another video. So guys, in this video I'll be going to compare the One UI 3.1 and the OxygenOS 11. Yes guys, I know that these two Android UIs are the best in this segment. So I think to compare One UI with the OxygenOS 11. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. Before starting the video, let me tell you some details. In the left hand I have OnePlus Nord CE running with the OxygenOS 11, and in the right hand I have Samsung Galaxy M51 running on the One UI 3.1. Both of the devices are on the Android 11 update and both of the devices are fully charged. I have also cleared all of the data. So first of all, let's start comparing with the notification panel, because notification panel is the main thing of any UI. In the One UI we have a full shaded notification panel, and in the OxygenOS 11 we have a half shaded notification panel. And my personal opinion is the One UI has a best notification panel if we compare with the OxygenOS, because OxygenOS notification panel is hard to launch with the one hand, and One UI is fully compatible with the one-handed operations. So that's why if you are a one-handed user or if your device is very big in size, so you are going to have very problems in the OxygenOS. And with the One UI you have an option to expand the notification panel, and you can easily access the brightness slider of the notification panel. So in my opinion, One UI has a best notification panel if we compare with the OxygenOS 11. Now if we compare the volume sliders, so both of the UI has a same type of volume slider, so that's why it's difficult to confirm that which one is better. So that's why I am not saying anything about the volume sliders, but OxygenOS volume slider is much better if we compare with the One UI. Now let's come to the heart of the video. Yes, I'm just talking about the customization features. Both of the UI has different type of customizations. If we talk about OxygenOS has the option to enable 3D icon packs in the default launcher, and in One UI we have the Galaxy themes store available. So both of the UI has different type of customization, and lots of features are equal in One UI and in OxygenOS. Like we can set only home screen option in both of the UI. Right here in the OxygenOS 11 we have an option called as customization. Here we can customize all over the look of the device, and in One UI we don't have any type of customization feature available right here, but in display, wallpaper, themes, home screen and themes application, here we can easily customize the full device. So both of the device has lots of customization feature, and we can easily customize all the device with right here in the home screen settings. Here in the OxygenOS 11 we have options to customize the font, accent color and lots of features, and in One UI we only have an option called as font style changing feature. So that's why OxygenOS 11 has much better features of customization, but One UI has a lots of features to customize. So both of the UI are best and easy to customize, but in my opinion both of the UI has different type of customization feature, but in my opinion One UI has a lots of features of customization. Now let's talk about the dark mode, because dark mode is a controversial feature in OxygenOS, because lots of users are complaining to OnePlus that OnePlus doesn't give a better experience in dark mode, because the dark mode available in the OxygenOS doesn't apply very well on every applications. But here in the OxygenOS 11 I don't feeling any type of compatibility issues. Only one issue which I have in the OxygenOS 11 is the pure pitch dark mode. Yes, OxygenOS 11 don't have a pure pitch black dark mode, which we are getting in the One UI 3.1. So that's why OxygenOS 11 dark mode is not way better than the One UI 3.1 dark mode. Now let's talk about the dialer, because in OxygenOS 11 we don't have the support of OnePlus dialer. OnePlus exactly give the Google dialer, and Google dialer just sounds like this call is now being recorded whenever you try to record someone call. So this is now very weird. So that's why lots of user doesn't like OxygenOS 11, but if you install OnePlus Dialer in OxygenOS 11 you get a better experience. And if we compare with the One UI has a different and its own dialer. Now let's talk about the camera UI, because camera UI of both of the UIs are now getting better with the time, because One UI has a different type of camera UI if we compare with the OxygenOS. OxygenOS 11 is just more better than the One UI. OxygenOS 11 has more customizable features in the camera UI if we compare with the One UI. So that's why I really like the UI of the OnePlus, and OnePlus has more features than the One UI. A common man can easily use the camera UI of both of the OxygenOS 11 and the One UI, because these two UI has a simple and dynamic interface of the camera application. So that is up for today guys. If you like the video, just do hit that like button, and also I know that I have not compared lots of features, like I have not compared the animations of both of the devices, and lots of features are missing in my comparison video. So that's why I have decided to make a new video on this. If you like the video, just do hit that like button, and also press that bell icon so you never miss any type of updates. Or if you like more, if you want more videos related this topic, so let me know in the comment box. If I receive more than 10 comments related with the part 2, so I surely make part 2 as sooner as I can. So if you want, so let me know in the comment box. It's me Hans, and I'm just signing off.